Hey, what's up everyone, this is Rafal from iFix Logic Boards, and today I would like to show you some stuff that I'm actually working on today. I got quite a bit of packages, and of course I got a lot of touch ACs, and I have an iPhone so I cannot switch to the rear camera. So here's my station. I actually cleaned it up, believe it or not. And so what we got here today, we got a few phones to go, some to ship, some more over here, and some more packages. I just did one touch AC here. Here's the microscope, camera. Here's a touch AC. Well, this is the second one. And let's see what's next. After replacing the chips, the phone comes back after 2-3 weeks with the same issue. After installing the steel shield, no issues. Okay, 6+ gold touch AC repair, of course. And this is from Orange Park, Florida. Let's see another one. This package actually has caution battery and a whole battery thing. I mean, it's not Note 7. We have a touch AC, 2 touch ACs today, and I have a data recovery. No, 3 touch ACs. Let's do it. So since I start getting more and more phones, I had to figure out the new way of arranging everything so everything is nice and clean. So I found that one shop was using these shop ticket holders. If you're a business, this is actually a great idea. It's this folder that you can put stuff in. Let me try to do that. Alright, so you can have the phone with the ticket number and you can hang it on the pegs. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Look. And all these folders, I can hang them on some pegboards, and it's nice and clean. Cool. Alright, we're having lunch. Some Italian goodies. Bread. We got here meatballs sub. Yeah, that sub was good and was only $5, so can't go wrong with that. Pretty good day in Florida. Not too cold, just chilly. My buddy's truck. Let's get back to work. Yes. Another touch AC where the touch doesn't work and you get the flickering bar at the top. Very combination for 6+. Let's do it. Alright, got these puppies on. Let's move on to the next one. Go to charge. Glass touch AC. That's pretty cold. Also, I like to drink filtered water, all the fluoride and all that crap. and this is the best water bottle. It's a good conversation starter. You're gonna see this bottle a lot in the videos. What was that for? So, oh, okay, there are two passcodes. So it might be 7330. Well, okay, this one worked because he said this one or this one. Okay, and okay, so the first touch issue, the person said that he replaced a few screens and it was not always working. It's not really bent. Most of the time it's just a joint issue, so I'm gonna put leaded solder paste. Leaded solder is actually better than the new chips because the new chips are probably coming with lead-free solder. So technically, reballing with leaded solder is a better solution. And on top of that, I have my shields that will stiffen the board, and well, this will be a more reliable repair than just getting an Apple $150 for a new phone that's gonna have the same issue within like first 2 to 3 weeks. In some cases, I had that customers that had that. All right, and that's all for today. I just want to make a short video showing the day. I mean, I wasn't really showing much, but just so you can see that, you know, this is an office that actually does repair the logic boards. Well, I do logic boards, but I just want to check it out how this whole vlog per se will work out, and so you guys, some of you guys can be more comfortable sending the phone to me for repair. I do get quite a lot of emails asking, oh, are you legit and all that. Yes, I am. And if you have any questions, you can go on the website ifixlogicboards.com, or you can just leave a comment here and I will try to reply, you know, in a timely manner. But until then, I will see you in the next video.